So whether you like to travel or you just want to store your blankets and winter clothes, this has everything you need. We've got 3 different sizes. We've got a total of 8 bags. They also come with these little clips here that you can put to make sure it's all sealed, because these are more like a Ziploc bag here. Also, of course, this is our pump. It's our vacuum pump here. Super easy to use. Right here, we've got our button. Turns blue, turns on, and you can hear the motor coming on. It's gonna go ahead and pull all that air out of the bags. And then right here below this little tab, this is where we're gonna go ahead and charge it. And it does come with a charging cord too. Now all these bags, they do have these valves on them. These actually turn. So once you have taken all the air out, you can easily turn this and go ahead and let air come back into it and just open it back up. And the way you open them up, just like a Ziploc bag too. When you're ready to seal it, and I'll demonstrate this in a minute with some clothes, we're gonna go ahead and take this tab and just pull it across and make sure it's sealed. And we've got 2 seals right here, so it's double sealed. So I've got the smallest bag out. This is the size of bag I would use for a carry-on. And I've got enough clothes here for 7 days. I've got a couple of pair of pants. I've got 5 shorts, 7 shirts, 7 socks, 7 underwear. This is exactly what I would pack if I was going to go on a trip. I like to go cruise a lot, and this is exactly what I'm going to take. So let's go ahead and put it in here. We're going to vacuum it down and see if it's going to go ahead and fit into my suitcase. So I've got my pants and my shirts in here, and I'm almost done. Once you get everything in here, you just want to make sure this is nice and sealed so that no air can get out. And that's where this tab, this clip comes in really handy. It's real easy to put on and take off. We press our button and turn it on. Oh, make sure the valve is open. And see, I'm not even touching it. You can see it's just pulling all that air out. Now I'm all done. Look how it's really compacted all that. I mean, that's quite a few clothes. It's got it really nice and thin. I can easily put this in my suitcase now and just head out to my travels. So this fits into my suitcase. This is a carry-on suitcase, just fine. And you can see here, I've got nothing up in here, so I definitely have room for a jacket, toiletries. You can put, of course, your makeup in here. But other than that, I mean, it works fine. I can't believe I got 7 days worth of clothes right in here. Hope you found this review helpful.